Good morning, this is Umar Hamid, and today is a very lovely day here in Sweden. And to help me with this video, my friend Masim Said, he's on the back of the camera, and I'm going to show you in a while. So my question is winter really over? Because it's a really sunny day and my friend is laughing behind me because like 2 weeks ago it was like snow everywhere and it was very hard. My car was even stuck like 2 weeks ago in a snow, but I really don't know, like it's a pre-spring or summer is coming. I don't know, like it's plus 9 degrees, and I think if I'm not wrong, like 2 weeks ago it was like -4 or something, right?
Yes!
Okay, it was. So I'm gonna show you around my beautiful city, the love of my life, my Jönköping. So come with me. So the thing is, as I told you, it's a really nice day, and me and my friend, come here.
So guys, finally winter has gone, summer has arrived, and Umar Hamid is here. But you know, it's fun to be young. Do you juice?
He's 28 and I'm gonna be 30. We are not young.
Age is just a number, you know. 30 years old, 28 years old, just a number. From inside, I'm of 18, maybe 15.
I think maybe 7. Here have a prediction that winter is not over yet, because it's a kind of a glimpse for us that yeah, summer could be look like this, and it's a kind of a pre-spring, which is like +9. But the thing is, like, still I'm wearing this upper and the jacket because it's really windy. So he's in a like funny mood today. He have a day off and he's just messing up my vlog. So yeah, he's a funny guy. I don't know like what to say, but I'm enjoying the weather. So I hope you guys have a good day, good week. I hope it's gonna be the same the whole, the summer's come early. I hope that. I hope you have a good week and good day or whatever, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my god, it's again, just in 20 hours, it's covered with snow. I don't like it. I don't like it.